Paithago kubui ungnani faising BJP bodol ni kokshil samung srangshala haino hai dangsa kaisa wa Congress ni MLA Sudip Barman te CPIM ni Haste Tangphang Jitendra Chowdhury hakhe kubui no da alliance unglainani bukha Congress te CPIM bodol obonotiye Haste ni lukurong ni khawa asai jakdal bidal sungmung Srangshalo yokmung ni bisnis tiba shalpung mani yak sangnai committee ni shakthar mumbai yokmung ni choba khlainai shengkarak rongno borom khlaioi Agartala Press Club khlai jangmani kaisa koksa panda wo narwai okrangoi manjakha CPIM ni Haste Tangphang Jitendra Chowdhury Congress ni MLA Sudip Barman te ex MLA Ashish Kumar Shahano khoboi kubun ojamarok paithago kubui ungnani faising BJP bodol ni kokshil samung Srangshalo haino haidangsa kaisa wo Congress ni MLA Sudip Barman te CPIM ni Haste Tangphang Jitendra Chowdhury mungoi Koktuma thumnai roni khawa asai khadal bidal sungmu
for liberty of our nation, for our independence. There are scores of people, actually the nation do not know about that. So CPIM, though it is a small program, I think from that count the importance of this meeting is that is immense importance that is generated. And what I felt that today, while our unsung heroes are being remembered, who are there? During the freedom struggle we have seen, there are the people from different stream. Some people through the under leadership of Mahatma Gandhi, in one way. There are some scores of people through this armed struggle. And there are people even for social reform, like Netaji Subhash Bose, then Bhagat Singh. So they believe that without the armed struggle, without that resistance, British could not be, the liberation could not be achieved. And there are people thought that unless the moral of the people cannot be built, like Swami Vivekananda, then the Narayan Guru, like that. They also contributed a lot, immensely, and Mahatma Gandhi, of course. And all these people, they assemble under the Indian National Congress, not the National Congress of today. So that's why, though it is after 75 years of independence, our government now, there is a few days back, or 1 year long, they have commemorated this in the name of in the fashion of the Azadi Ka Amrit Utsav. But they have not involved the people of this, all quarter of the people. They have just exploited it for their political mileage. So that's why this meeting, though it is a small, but it is a significant, that whether all these flows, all this, that is called section of the people, the secular and democratic people would be united, and it is possible. Then today onslaught upon the democracy, onslaught upon the constitution, how Modi and its brigade doing, from that it can be split out. So it is small, it is late, but of course and very important the event that happened.
Paithago kubui ungnani faising thungbodol ni adong rongni kokshil samung hakhe kubui no da alliance unglainani bukha Congress te CPIM bodol obonotuyai haino hai katal khetei waisa sumung asai firka Haste ni tongko song lukurong ni khawo Raja Khor agoli ni simi pronop ni kokthum Chini Khorang